Welcome back to all. Now installation process has been done, and if you want to log into this virtual machine, just click on this action button and a number of menus will be appear in front of you. Now if you click on the power option here, you can see that you can power off the virtual machine, you can suspend or reset the virtual machine. And below this option you can also find the guest OS. In the previous sessions when we are discussing about the hypervisor, I told you that hypervisor operated as a host operating system. Hypervisor consider itself as a host, while all the virtual machines which created inside the host is considered guest OS. So that's why the guest OS option appeared over here. And if you follow these options here, you can see that send keys, and you have to click on the Control Alt Del option, so you will be able to log into this machine. Now I have to log into this virtual machine. After implementing the password, here I need to type my password, and now the login process initiated. Here we logged in, and server manager appear, and number of menus related to the Microsoft operating system will be appear over here. I need to close these all options and just need to verify the installed operating system version. I can open here a command line and type the command Vmware, so you can verify the server 2016 is installed over here. But you can see that here on the downside, you see that the Ethernet card is disconnected. It means that it shows this virtual machine is not connected with our virtual infrastructure right now. So if anyone wants to remote desktop to this machine or want to share any kind of resources on this, so it will be not applicable, because right now this machine is not connected with the virtual infrastructure. So we will go and customize this virtual machine different options, and then this machine will be capable to connect with other virtual machines. So we need to shut down this virtual machine for the purpose of customization. So same option available here. We need to shut down it. Here we shut down the virtual machine. It will take almost 5 to 10 seconds more for the purpose of going in a shutdown mode. So it's going in a shutting down state. Okay. Now if I click on this action button here, you can see that edit setting option. I can also select this option for customizing this virtual machine, or I can, if I close this option, then another option of power on, and in the same sequence here is the action button available for the purpose of customization. So same option, okay, you can get from here and just click on this button. And from now here you can see that if I want to connect its Ethernet adapter, here you can see that this check is not selected over here. So that's why this machine is completely disconnected from our infrastructure. So now when I power on this virtual machine, it will be connected with my network infrastructure, and if I want to change the number of processors from here, I can also change the number of processors here. So if I select the number of processors 5, if I can increase the size of the hard drive, so here you can see that I just type 35 GB over here, or I can add the SATA controllers or USB controllers or each and everything which I want to connect here. I can customize this virtual infrastructure from these menus. and from if I want to add more network adapters, I can also add further network adapters from here. So I just click on the save button. Okay, VMware domain controller was successfully reconfigured. So it means that all the configurations will be accepted over here, and now we need to power on this virtual machine and verify that all these new settings implemented on this virtual machine or not. So let's go and verify the things which we customize right now. So let's power on this virtual machine. Now we will verify number of things. Here you can see that this machine booting process initiated again, and now we will verify all the customization options which we implemented a few seconds ago as this machine boot process completed. So again, if you want to log into this virtual machine, then I need to click on the action button and guest OS, send keys, Control Alt Del, and I need to put the password. Sorry, I did not click over here, so I need to type the password again. Now this login process verified, and here you can see that now this virtual machine is capable to connect with our virtual infrastructure. That's good thing. I need to click yes, I want to connect this virtual machine with our network infrastructure. Now you can see that it's working properly, rocking. And if I want to verify the size of the hard drive or storage, I can verify from here. Here you can see that still it's not showing the space. So if you want to cater the whole space which you customized previously, so you go with the administrative tools, or you can type the command over here by using, let me show you. If you want to get the remaining space detail information, so here you can put the command. So increased size of the virtual machine, you have to be verified from here as well, because here you can see that. Now if you look at this, it's showing that the total space of this hard drive is 35 GB. It's tremendous. And if you want to include the remaining space into the C partition, you just have to click over here and extend the volume. So here I just click on the next button, next, and finish. It's simple. Now if you go to the computer, my computer option, here you can see that, just get the refresh it, and here now 34.5 GB of space is available. And we also increase the amount of processor over here. So okay, I can also verify from here. Just I can right click on the properties, and here you can see that number of processors are increases over here. Here you can see that 5 processors. At initial when we configure this virtual machine, we just select the 4 processors, but after that we increase one number of processor over here, so the size the number of processors are also increased over here. So by that way you can configure a number of virtual machine options. You can customize other numerous option as per your own requirement. You can increase the type of resources, you can add the resources, you can remove the resources, you can allocate as per operating system requirement, as per application requirement. But before that, you need to monitor your application. You can monitor via task manager or by other applications. So if any machine demanded further memory or processor or any other resource, you can easily edit it. Okay, let's go further and explore other configuration option with virtual machines.